Brazil, state of Minas Gerais. Here, Cedro Mineração invests in iron ore production, which is essential for the country's development and wealth generation. Our operations in the Mariana region combine innovation and energy efficiency with full environmental responsibility, positioning Cedro at the forefront of mining integrated with sustainable development. Our experience operating in the region enables us to go further. With investments in technology and new equipment, the current sinter feed production plant will be replaced by a new plant for the production of direct reduction pellet feed, resulting in processed ore with lower impurity content and a higher iron grade. This ensures greater energy efficiency in steel production and will cut CO2 emissions by 50%. For this global energy transition process, Cedro has Vale as its main partner. This strategic partnership began with the expansion of Cedro's current operations through the lease of the Cedro mining rights from Vale. The signing of the lease agreement for the Cedro mining right marks the beginning of this new phase. The completion of the environmental licensing is expected in the first half of 2026, enabling mining operations to begin at the Cedro mining right, as well as the installation of a plant for pellet feed production with operations starting in March 2029 and a capacity of 5 million tons a year. The supporting infrastructure for power supply and water main installation is currently under development, and the project includes the construction of a long-distance belt conveyor (LDBC) to connect the Mariana mine with Vale's Fazendão mine, from where the ore will be exported. The completed LDBC will cover a distance of 18 kilometers while maximizing the use of existing geographic pathways and preserving historic roads. The work will eliminate the need for tunnels or extensive rock cutting and will avoid interfering with populated areas. In addition to transporting ore production, the new conveyor belt will prevent up to 296,000 trips by 27-ton trucks on the MG 129 highway each year. This will improve traffic and safety conditions on one of the busiest highways in the country. Thanks to the entire ecosystem developed for the Mariana mine, Cedro naturally positions itself as the best qualified company to explore the Del Rey mining right, located in a neighboring area. The power, water, and transportation logistics infrastructure at the Mariana mine has sufficient capacity to support the development of the Del Rey mining right. As this is an expansion of the Mariana mine, the environmental licensing process for the Del Rey mining right will be streamlined and not subject to the restrictions set by the Municipal Master Plan, ensuring feasibility, greater agility, and lower risks. The ore extracted from the Del Rey mining right will be processed in a new plant for pellet feed production with a capacity of 5 million tons of product per year, similar to the one planned for the Mariana mine, eliminating the need for further studies and project design. The plant will be connected to the Mariana mine by extending the LDBC by just 2 kilometers, allowing the entire production to flow through the existing connection with Fazendão. This will ensure Vale has simplified iron ore transportation provided by a single qualified operator, Cedro. As it evolves over time, this partnership will create new jobs and improve income for the local communities, in addition to increasing tax revenue at all three government levels. Since the beginning of this journey, Cedro has built a legacy that benefits the entire region and surrounding cities. Cedro embraces its social responsibility with the same efficiency it dedicates to its business. The group makes substantial investments and supports over 60 social, cultural, and sports projects as an active member of local communities. This is how we are growing and promoting growth all around us. By bringing together social and economic development with environmental responsibility, by joining forces through strategic partnerships. As in the Mariana complex, together Cedro and Vale can create a new operations model here. It's a new way to create value for Brazil and for Brazilians. It's our way of making a difference.